he's still in prison in 2020, he commits another felony, prisoner possessing contraband, and he got another 14 months consecutive prison for that. So that's why then the prosecutor says went to prison 3 times. It was really 1 time you went, but you had 3 commitments, 3 sentences. So that's when he did the 6 years, and it's, you know, reported in the PSI and also in the defense sentencing memoranda that, you know, you had some really negative experience that had happened to you or around you while in prison. And, you know, that's regrettable and that should not happen. That's not what anybody intends to happen. That's not part of the punishment of a sentence. Prison should be a safe environment for people, but the reality of human behavior makes it such that sometimes it's not. So I regret that you had to witness some of those things. You were granted parole on August 1st of 2023. The next summer, July of 2024, you were arrested for drunk driving on parole and a CCW, a carry concealed weapon charge. In that case, there was a BOL, be on the lookout for someone driving crazy. You were twice the legal limit, had a fixed blade knife in the visor of the car. That November, I dismissed the CCW charge, finding that there was not legal basis for that charge. But it did qualify as a violation of parole, possessing any weapon at all. But I dismissed that felony charge and granted you a PR bond. And then the DOC lifted the parole hold and reinstated your parole. Again, giving you chances to address these issues. You responded by tampering with your alcohol scram tether in early December. And then in December, I sentenced you, you pled and were sentenced to the misdemeanor OWI. You'd already served the maximum time, so we cut you loose at that time. And your parole was reinstated, continued. And then this May, while you were still on that parole, you were again arrested for a OWI 0.19 BAC. In addition to the 2 felonies committed while Mr. Page was in prison, he had several misconducts in prison, including using alcohol 3 times, using other substances 3 times, fighting 3 times, possessing stolen property 3 times. So, you know, you were kind of contributing to some of the bad environments and behaviors in prison as well. There's a pattern of drunk driving here in 2015, 2024, and 2025. All 3 of those drunk drivings involved a BAC of more than twice the legal limit. All 3 of those were committed while Mr. Page was on some